Are you having trouble keeping up with your hectic schedule? Are you fed up with using multiple programs to manage your work and communications? Google Workspace is your best option. This video will discuss the top advantages of Google Workspace and how it can help you stay organized and productive. Enhance collaboration. With Google Workspace, you can collaborate more effectively with team members, whether they are in the same location or working remotely. For example, with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, multiple users can work on a document at the same time, making it easy to collaborate on projects or assignments. Let's say you are a marketing team working on a new advertising campaign. You can use Google Docs to collaborate on a shared document, outlining the campaign's goals, objectives, and key messages. Each team member can add their own ideas and suggestions in real time, making it easy to come to a consensus and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Increased productivity. Google Workspace offers a range of tools and features that can help users be more productive. With Gmail, users can manage their inbox more efficiently, thanks to features like labels, filters, and smart replies. Similarly, with Calendar, users can keep track of their schedule and stay organized. With the ability to create events, set reminders, and invite others to events. An accountant can use Google Sheets to manage their clients' financial data, with formulas and macros that automate tasks and save time. They can also use Calendar to keep track of important deadlines and appointments, ensuring that they never miss an important date. Accessible from anywhere. With Google Workspace, users can access their data and collaborate with others from anywhere with an internet connection. This can be especially helpful for businesses and organizations that have team members working remotely or who are frequently on the go. A startup with team members working remotely across multiple time zones can use Google Workspace to collaborate effectively. They can hold virtual meetings using Meet, share documents using Docs, manage their projects using Tasks, all while working from their respective locations. Improved security. Google Workspace offers a range of advanced security features to protect user data and ensure compliance with industry standards. A law firm can use Google Workspace to store and share sensitive legal documents securely, with access controls and compliance features that meet industry standards. They can also use Vault to search and export user data, ensuring that they can respond to legal inquiries quickly and efficiently. Customizable. Google Workspace can be customized to meet the specific needs of businesses, schools, and individuals. A retail business can use Google Workspace to customize their email and productivity tools with a branded email domain and custom themes. They can also use Marketplace to find and install third-party applications, such as inventory management software that integrate with Google Workspace. Help them manage their operations more efficiently. Easy to learn and use. Google Workspace is designed to be easy to learn and use. even for those who are new to the platform. An educator can use Google Classroom to manage their students' assignments and communications. Even if they have little experience with technology, they can use Google's tutorials and support resources to learn the platform quickly. Can collaborate with other educators in Google's online community to share best practices and tips. Affordable. Google Workspace is an affordable option for businesses, schools, and individuals who are looking for a powerful productivity suite. A non-profit organization can use Google Workspace to manage their donor communications and fundraising campaigns. With a flexible pricing plan that fits their budget, Google Workspace offers a variety of advantages that can assist businesses, schools, and individuals becoming more productive, collaborative, and efficient, utilizing the platform's robust capabilities.